Welcome back, students. Children, all of us know that it's the GK period, but we were doing SST in the last class, right? The last period. So let's continue with that work only. That will make our chapter finish today in this class. Everybody get your SST notebooks and books. Keep your GK books aside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, beta, say. Beta, I can't understand even a word. Please type in the chat box what you want to say. You're not audible, Dev. Type in the chat box. I'll read out from there. Utsav, try and speak something, beta. I think even you are not audible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no, you're completely audible. Fine. Anshuman, Krishna, Jayesh, can you all listen to me clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So there was some problem with Dev's network. Okay. So we all have done answer number 1. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's wait for other children to join in and then we are going to begin. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, now you're audible.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I was saying that this is period of play.
This is your GK period. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is your GK period. But I was saying that let's continue with the SST work. Let's complete the work.
Ma'am. Ma'am, please send the answer number.
You want me to send you answer 1 once again? Now it's gone in the chat box, children. It's gone with the meeting. Now you want me to type the answer again and send it to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Dave, you are not audible, beta. Your signals are very weak. The signals at your side are very weak. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, please type answer in the chat box.
Which answer?
Yes,
Answer number 1?
I can't complete it. Ma'am, answer number yes, ma'am. The long answer question.
Okay. Is there anybody in the class who was able to
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
answer 1?
Ma'am, because ma'am,
Okay. So the one who was able to complete the answer, please
Can you
take
tell
a
me the
picture.
last point of answer 1?
Wait, beta, wait. I'll type the whole answer because children are asking for the complete answer. So Utsav, now take a picture and send it to me on my personal wall of that answer because I'm going to type the same answer so that you can continue writing from there, those who have written half of it.
okay, ma'am, answer 1.
Yes, beta, answer 1, long answer type.
Okay, ma'am. Then I want to select culture. Then I have sent it. Then send it.
Hello.
Children, I have sent point number 1 in the chat box. There are 4 points of this answer. You can start writing point number 1. Till then, I'll type other 3 points.
Ma'am, I have sent it. I want to select in the team.
You have sent me the answer. You're saying this?
Ma'am, I'm saying I have sent it that what I have to speak on the team in the
Okay.
team.
Okay, beta. Okay, very nice. Children, please ignore a few spelling mistakes in the answer. While typing in speed, it becomes a little upset. So please ignore the spellings of plains and amount of rainfall. Okay? Amount. Then we have point number 3.
Ma'am, I have sent you that I will speak about food of Punjab.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have been sent you to that I will speak about the unique feature of Punjab, and I have sent some unique feature also.
Yes, beta. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to speak or write. Ma'am, we have to speak or write. Ma'am, I have written the points.
Beta, you have to make a video, you have to combine the pictures, you have to create a video, and in the background, you should be speaking what all you have collected. Okay? There should be different pictures like moving in a slide one by one, and then for each picture, you have to tell what you have collected, what is the picture about.
Ma'am, what is the fourth one point of the long answer question? Answer number 1.
I'm typing, beta. So I have sent the complete answer number 1. Those who had not written, please complete the answer now.
अभी ब्रेक था बीच में
Who all are present in the class right now? Dev, Arya, Agrim, Utsav, Krishna, Jayesh, Anshuman, Iram. Is that all? Prasoon. Prasoon.
Yes,
Ganga. Saif Ali is missing in this class. He hasn't joined it. Kushagra is also
Yes,
missing.
ma'am. Yes,
Kushagra
ma'am.
is also.
Ma'am, done.
Very nice. Shall we
Ma'am,
move to
done.
the next question? Ma'am, due to some network
Yes,
issue,
ma'am.
I'm not able to hear your voice. So, ma'am, can you send me answer to first and second paragraph? Beta, answer two we haven't done only. Now we'll come to answer two. We are just on answer number 1, long answer type.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I thought she asking for ma'am answer in brief questions.
No. Answer in brief we had already done, right? In the previous period. We have
Ma'am,
finished.
she was. Ma'am, she was saying that due to some network issue, I cannot hear your voice. Ma'am, but you are typing the answer number 1 full paragraph in chat box. So you have only say the answer in brief questions. So I thought she was saying that answer number 2.
Okay, let me ask her. Lakshita, are you asking for short answer type? Lakshita, are you asking for short answer type? Lakshita has left. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe she's having some terrible network issues. That is why. So everybody has written answer 1. Everybody has written answer 1.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Let's move on to the next question. What is the next question? What kind of crops?
What kind of crop and fruit grow in Kashmir?
Okay. So what kind of crops? What is the main? Okay. Tell me the aromatic flower that grows. What is that aromatic flower that grows in Kashmir? Sorry, an aromatic spice which is obtained from flower. What is that aromatic spice?
Ma'am, I do not know.
Very bad, children. Nobody knows. I told you it is used
Ma'am,
in
I know.
kulfis,
Ma'am,
it is
I
used
know.
in kheer. Yes,
Ma'am, I know.
yes.
Ma'am, saffron.
Very nice. Saffron. Saffron is that aromatic spice that is grown. And along with that, what other fruits grow in Kashmir?
Ma'am, apple, plums, apricot, peaches, cherries.
Apricot, figs, and plums.
Okay. So everybody on page number 91.
Apple, fig, plums, apricot, peaches,
Yes,
cherries.
I'm telling you the answer. Mark the answer from maize, rice, kidney beans, and till the end of the paragraph. Till Kashmir, you have to write this answer. Everybody will be able to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, from where to where?
Have you opened up page number 91?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that paragraph? Farming is an important occupation.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, from maize, rice, kidney beans. Mark the answer from there. Maize, rice. The answer starts from here till the end of the paragraph, Kashmir.
Okay, ma'am.
The last word is Kashmir in the paragraph. You have to write from there to here.
Okay, ma'am. And that will be the full answer.
Yes, this is the full answer.
Okay.
Written,
Ma'am,
children?
I have done. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, done.
Very nice. Write the next question. Describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done all question answers.
How come you have done all question answers? You did them on your own?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the Himalayas act the natural.
Okay, that is question number 1, beta. That is the answer to only question number 1. Question number 3 is describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand. Children, can you describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand? What is so special about the vegetation of Uttarakhand?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Hmm.
Uttarakhand, the trees such as pine, spruce, yak, cedar, and chestnut grow. And in lower regions, sal, teak, shisham, dhak, palash,
Rhododendron.
rhododendron tea are also common.
Yes. Then these are the trees. What about the vegetation?
Ma'am, maize, barley, and rice.
Maize, barley, and rice are grown on terraced fields. Fruits are also grown in some areas. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell, baby, tell. And see, children, if there is any network issue, please type in the chat box and let me know what you want to say. Beta, I can't. Devarya. The signals are very weak at your side. I cannot hear you at all.
And please type the answer in the chat box.
Yes, I'm typing the answer in the chat box.
what
is the answer
Ma'am,
number
when
3?
we will do GK?
First we will try and complete this work, and then we will start GK.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what is the answer number 3?
Beta, I'm typing. Please wait for it. Yes, Dev, please type in the chat box. You are not at all audible. Type in the chat box and tell me what you want.
Ma'am,
I will not reply now because I'm telling you to type in the chat box and you're not typing. Beta, you are not audible today.
now I am audible. Ma'am, now I am audible.
Dev, beta, can't you type in the chat box? Children, is Dev audible? Can you clearly hear Dev?
No, ma'am.
Beta,
ma'am.
type in the chat
No,
box.
ma'am.
Don't try to speak when your signals are weak today. Just type in the chat box whatever you want to ask.
Ma'am, because of network, I have typed 2 times, but I have disconnected, so my message was deleted.
Now we all could hear this line, such a big line, so clearly. Now hurry up and tell what are you asking?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
What we are doing? We are continuing the SST work. We are doing long
Ma'am-
answers. Yes.
Ma'am, which question, which answer we are on?
We are on answer number 3. I am typing the answer. I have not sent in the chat box. I am still typing answer number 3.
Ma'am, when I come on my table, I told my house notebook is kept. Articles are read each day.
Ma'am, what is the answer number 3?
Children, now answer number 3 is in the chat box. Please see from there and type. Written, children? Children, have you written?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, beta, ask. Dave, beta, you are not at all audible. I cannot understand what you said. Beta, please type. I have sent the answer of question number 3. You want me to send you again? I have sent it again, Dave. You want to see the answer? Please see in the chat box. Children, written, rest of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Shall we move on to the next one, or you want me to wait?
Ma'am, please answer the fourth question.
Yes.
Ma'am, please.
Write a note on the location and people of Himachal Pradesh. Now, what is the location they are asking for? First of all, they are asking the location. So, we will tell the location of the state Himachal Pradesh. Now, can you tell where is this state located? Can any one of you tell where is the state of Himachal Pradesh located?
Ma'am, North India.
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, I can.
Yes, tell.
The state of Uttarakhand is located on the southern side of the Himalayan range.
And what about the state of Himachal Pradesh? The question is Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh state.
Yes, they're asking where is, describe the location. Sorry, write a note on the location and people of Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, the Himachal Pradesh lies to the south of Jammu and Kashmir. Shimla, Kalu, Manali, and Dalhousie are the popular holiday destination of the state.
Very nice.
Ma'am, it is on page number 93 in a nutshell.
In nutshell.
Line 3.
Yes, in the nutshell. So, Himachal, what is the location of Himachal Pradesh? It lies to the south of, everybody, can you write or you want me to type in the chat box?
Ma'am, type in the chat box.
Type in the chat box. Okay. Were you able to understand the question? Write a short note on location and the people of Himachal Pradesh. So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
location? Anything's location is where it lies, where it is. So first of all, we have to tell about the location of Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh, answer number 4.
अभी मैं छत पे जाऊंगी धूप सेकने।
Himachal Pradesh lies to the south of Jammu and Kashmir. Now they are asking, write a note on the people of Himachal Pradesh. Now, can you tell something about the people of Himachal Pradesh? See, what we can tell about the people of this place is what they wear, what they speak, what they eat, right? This is what we can tell about the people of this place, children. No response.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Others are so busy writing their answers, huh? They're not listening to what the teacher is saying. So
Yes, ma'am.
So about the people, let's just include a few points that what they speak and what they wear.
Okay, ma'am.
And can I answer?
Yes, answer. Sure, answer.
Can I
Nauri and
Such a nice music is coming. When Dev is speaking, we are having such beautiful music.
people speak Hindi?
And can they speak?
Yes, better speak.
People speak Hindi, Punjabi, Kinari, and Pahari. Long robes, shawls, and scarves are the traditional clothes of women. Men wear kurta, pajamas, jackets, and Himachali caps.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I can speak.
Yes,
Can I speak?
Famous
Speak.
for kullu shawls, waistcoats, and caps with colorful women border and motifs.
Motives. Yes. Speak.
Ma'am, I can speak.
Yes. Speak.
Ma'am, the Himachal Pradesh is famous for kullu shawls, waistcoats, and caps with colorful woven borders and motifs. The most important festival of this region is Dussehra. People speak Hindi, Punjabi, Kinari, and Pahari. Long robes and shawls and scarves are the traditional clothes of women. Men wear kurta, pajama, jacket of the Himachali caps. Shimla, Kullu, Manali, and Dalhousie are very popular holiday destination for tourists.